everybody. Hey everybody, I'm back. So after it's 5:30 here in the afternoon, so we are on our way to the cricket final. We are a special guest for today's video, and as you can see, I'm a little crushed today. Highlight, taka. Bulletproof, nothing to lose. Fly away. What? Goats. Damoton Karay is walking. Ang dami, no? My God, that's a lot. Check. Siya sa daing Moton Karay. Sila, Doc. Good. Assalamualaikum. Ayoko sa gitna. Ayoko sa gitna ang patan. Tinan mo, ganit na pa ako. Buisit talaga ito sa patan. Taray, may mga trophy. Tinan mo. Legit yung cricket. Ay, di ba remember the last time it was kids? Okay, may picture. So now it's adults. See. Their seats, I like this. But I'm shy. I don't like to be in the middle. Gusto kong patan na to Ay, kago tira matsura. Handa.
But there should be 2 runs, I think. And this will be a great final match between the Malakabad Baturan and Boko Star, and this will be a great time for the crowd. In commentary box, a chief guest from Philippines.
Hoy, I was not able to continue my intro, so let me do it once again. Again, this is Kate Reto. So earlier this afternoon, we went to like a program, like for a lunch, and now we're here. We have arrived in the final match of the cricket here in Swabi, Pakistan. So as you can see, there's really going to be a lot of people today. And look at Mukhtiar. Oh, pil na pil niyang nasa gitna siya. Oh, pil na pil niyang bisitang pangdangal siya. He's looking to me like drama niya, buisit siya. So here, see, look, who's wearing your cap? We are looking for that cap. If you watch my previous vlog, you will remember this guy. I told you, if there's camera, he's also here. Diba? Hindi siya magpapaawat talaga. Tignan mo si Abdulahada, kompleto yung crush ko. Kompleto yung casting ng crush ko. Wait lang, iisa-isahin natin. Sige, sirain mo yan, Haider Ali, ha? Why you're not late? Ito pa ang isa. Kompleto yung crush ko today for today's video. Tignan mo, kami na naman na mag-asap Abdulahada. What's this? The sweet one? I don't like sugar. Kompleto yung casting ng crush ko. 1, 2. Ganyan, dapat ang mga inaatin na. Pil na pil niyang bisitang pangdangal siya. Yung upo niya pang mayor. Fix it. Total nagbibibu-bibuhan ka. Okay, fix it. Ayusin mo. Kabit mo. Diba? Ngayon hindi mo maikabit. Tignan mo, ang nakababata kong kapatid. Dungis na naman. Tignan mo, napakadungis mo. Bubugin kita.
You are from Philippines?
No.
From here?
Pakistan.
I know you are not looking Pakistani.
After 2 days, I will be... Bubugin ko talaga tong height.
Khalas no.
Si Abdulahada na naman. Hindi lang kita crush. Sinasabi ko sa'yo. Hindi ako sasama sa'yo. This is my baby This is my baby brother Yan na.
खतरनाक बर्फेल कदमों का इस्तेमाल करते हुए फिर पीछे होंगे और गेंद को स्टंप पे पड़ने से बाहर चीरस के लिए भेज रहे हैं
You really like this, no?
117.
Special guest? Pil mo. Wisit ka. Yung upo mo pang mayor.
जबरदस्त बैटिंग जारी है स्कोर हुआ है 90 सिर्फ एक शानदार चौके की जरूरत है अपनी शानदार और करने के लिए
Why not just there?
They're coming very short.
Short? That's gonna take too long.
स्कोर हुआ है 93 7 रन के फासले पर है अपनी शानदार
Oh, head?
Yeah.
Okay.
आप देख सकते हैं मोटरसाइकिल वाले जो कि सीढ़ियों पर से मोटरसाइकिल नीचे ला रहे हैं यकीनन ये भी दांत के काबिल है और यंग बॉलर है और आखिरी ओवर के लिए बुला जैसे बैट्समैन की जरूरत है इंडिया के खिलाफ मलकाबाद को जिस मौका पे बातुरान ने कैच ड्रॉप किया था इस वक्त
What's happening now?
One side is finished now. Starting another side.
Here. Because me, ano? What's happening now?
It's two side, right?
What's two side?
Two teams.
Two teams.
So the first beating now is finished. 11 player.
Okay.
So now they finish now another one starting beating. Then the next one is
What is?
the doctor said is the minister of the cricketers, the media.
Okay. What kind of media?
Parali Kadrani.
Same as the last time.
This
The Salbeki. Ah, okay.
Joe Taka Salvifti.
Yeah, Salbeki. This may water? Ikaw, Abdulahada, ha? Mukhang tantanan. I'm okay. Everybody meet Sharin Wahab. Hi. He's the committee for today, and he's in charge of whatever that's happening now. I don't like the mic. I'm shy. I don't like, no. I'm shy. This is one of the best things when you're making your own vlog. You can decide your own angle. Anong nangyayari? Ano ba? Ay! Kagawad! Talaga! Ang presence ni Kagawad! Oh my God, Kagawad! How are you?
I am fine.
Assalamualaikum, good Thank you. Paupuin mo, paupuin nyo si Kagawad. Paupuin nyo si Kagawad. The 20,000 tayo dyan. Aray! Aray! Matan! It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. You want to choose? Change na upuan na lang. I don't want to change my position. Okay, go. Aksidente pa ako, Diyos ko. Dulhada. Ikaw na naman, tayo na naman magkasama. Pag tayo nagkatuluyan, sinasabi ko sa'yo. Let's take a selfie. Selfie tayo. Ang tanong mo nga ako? Lumayo-layo ka sa akin? Gigil ako sa'yo. Musot ka dito, pumantay ka. Talaga naman, Abdulahan. Oh, everybody, since I cannot relate what's happening, maglandi na lang tayo. My friends have arrived. How are you? Good? Hello. Where's my bebe? Oh my God, my bebe ko has arrived. He has arrived. Where's Sheikh Musa? Where's the Sheikh? Hi, my bebe ko has arrived. Come here. Oh, the bebe ko has arrived. How are you? I'm fine. I'm fine. Good. I'm hugged. Show us. Ang Diyos ko yung bebe ko. Tayo na talaga. Confirm na to. No signal. Diba? Nag-explain na ako agad kung ba't hindi nag-send yung message. Walang signal. Ayan lang, masishake Musa. Gwapo to eh. Kasi hindi ko lang bet talaga eh. Hindi ko lang alam kung bakit. Ayoko kasi na masyadong maputi. Shake! Tara dito. Shake Musa has arrived. Sulaiman. Sasabi mo na naman. Dahil mo sinasabi. Lagi kong binubugbog to. Anong pinagbubulungan? Anong binubulong mo?
Mother name. Mother name.
Ito, visit talaga to. I see. Also, there's people there watching. This is like what separates the dam from the land. I have 20 more minutes. How many more minutes? 30 more minutes to speak in English before 7. So let's do this. This is the whole cricket area. Here's Numano. Hoy, tara dito. Sulaiman, wait ha. Okay, here's Numano. Miss Sano pa. Ano pa yung Sans friends? Okay, so I'm just gonna go to him and because he wants to introduce me to his teacher daw. Talaga naman? Who's the teacher? Assalamualaikum. Ay, sorry. Assalam. You're the teacher? Who's the teacher? Who's your teacher? You're the teacher. Okay. These are your daughter?
Yes.
Beautiful daughters. Okay, let's take picture. Picture pala yung gusto. I'll go, ibigay mo yan. Hoy, asan na yung bebe ko? Ayun. Yung bebe ko sumisay niya, sabi niya, tara dito. Ano ba? Kayo ng kay? Mag-uwi kayo. Visit kayo ng kay. Bakit? Yes. Kayo ng kay itong mga to. Magkain kayo dyan. Dahil mo sila sabi, Abdul, lahat. Taray. Parang hindi kinikat pininta nyo, pagkain. Puro kayo. Sad. Uy, wait lang. Shot po to. Hoy! Sisimple tayo ng pagkain. Ano ba naman yung umupo tayo? Ano ba? 100 rupiah. If video 200. Ay, no problem. Okay, where? Where's the 200? Taray, may pa-TikTok. Ano ba? Kayo ng te?
Mas kayo siya.
Okay, good. Ano ba? Ay. Taray, may pagtitipong nagaganap. Okay. Ha? You talk, I don't need to talk. I just may chat social. Wait, chat puno muna. Dali na. Teach them the chat puno. Bayan, walang chat puno. Battery. Ay, akin na pala. Ang social, may mga pag-meeting. What's your name? Shahab. You're a good host. I like it. The interview. Yung phone ko. Thank you. Taray, pasok kayo sa exposure dalawa, oh. Nabisitang pantangal na naman tayo. Puro Thunderbolt kasama ko dito. Wait, exit lang. Hindi ko bet. Let me punta tayo sa mga bagets. Wait lang.
और तो लुक देना और इसका पैगाम अजमल खान का इशारा के हुआ है
Ayoko dito ang body. Good, it's good. Dito po tayo sa mga bagets. Wait. Gusto mo to? Titi in the middle of the cricket. Ang social. I like this. It's so social. Patandaan. Academic other videos. Okay, good. I can go. Okay. Ah, ganun. Only 2 minutes sitting, ha? Because... Hi! Ang daming, ano? Ang daming pupo.
Oh,
Back? No, with the camera. Muna. We cannot...
Chesky.
Ah! Chesky. Ay, nay! Chayoska?
Cherius ka lang.
Ah, Chayoska. Nay. Nay. Sakit naman sa puwit. Buisit. Wala ko po ang maayos. Ay, sinisigawan mo ako? Sinisigawan mo ako? Ha? Gawad! Habibi, Habibi. How are you? Good? Okay, good. What?
Patansi, Habibi.
Yeah, this is your Habibi Patansay. But, checking the phone, ha? Sabi mo, wala pa tayong isang linggo, nag-check ka na ng phone. Baka mata. Ah. Ha? I'm nice? Shukriya. Ay, taray. Gusto mo yung mga mupo ka din. This is the original shot po, no? Ano ba? Ang daming langgam. I'm scared. I don't like. Ha? Kala Cider Ali?
Okay.
Ano ba? Daming langgam. Shoota. My God, it's biting me. Yeah, the Cider Ali.
Basa.
Masa tayo dito? Bad trip. Anong ginagawa mo, Sheikh Musa? What is... Picture. Picture. Just say hi to my vlog.
Dance.
Dance? Dance na. I dance? It's okay? No? No daw. Oh, everybody, you see Kagawad, ha? And the Habibi of Kagawad. Joke lang to, huwag kang patola. Joke lang. Crush ko din nga. Yala. Sheikh Musa. Asan siya, Sheikh? Ay! Mag-vlog-vlog na lang ako dito kasi I don't understand the cricket. Nothing, we just say hi. Zilhak? Zilhak? Zilhak.
No.
Zilhak.
Yes.
Zilhak. Tuwang-tuwa ka na naman, Sheikh Musa. Tuwang-tuwa ka na naman, loko ka.
No.
Sheikh Musa. Ah? Visit ka kinaga, tapos binigay mo sa akin. Ah! What? Okay.
100 video. TikTok.
It's okay. Tinatawag na ako ni Patan, nagkaka-awardan na. Come here. Okay, let's go. What's happening? Tell me.
Camera now because all people coming now here.
Ah, okay, go. Laban. Ah. We almost finished the Bulahada, magkakatuluyan tayo sa ginagawa mo. Sinasabi ko sa'yo.
इंशाल्लाह जबरदस्त पार हाजिर
Everybody, so the awarding has started. So we're just here waiting to be called. As you can see, there's a lot of people here. This is the awarding final match here. Unfortunately, our village did not make it to the final match. But see, like here.
Left hand inshallah. Dua timah dah berkiwal. Amal saja kama melmanu lagi mereka waktuan deh. Namin periada ko.
Ako ba? Ay, ako pala yung pinapalakpakan Paano okay? Sorry. Because I don't understand. Everyone is just looking at me. Everybody, this is like the highlight of the cricket match. So it's exciting actually. A lot of things are happening right now. I don't understand but I like it. Oh, clap, clap. Okay, clap, clap lang tayo. Ah, siya pala. Mga bisitang pandangal, mga bisitang pandangal. Ganda kong... Eh! Ha? Ay, what? Taray. Ay, thank you. Narinig ko yun.
Thank you, bro.
You're welcome. Okay, kalas.
इश्फाक अफरीदी आपको जीवन 1000 रुपए नकद गिरंद सिफत का बिल्ला नियाजा बकमेल para 1000 नकद नाम को कर दे ऐलान नूर आलमीन दो कमेटी इश्फाक अफरीदी अब्बास खान मुख्तार खान आता जाती सिंह आज ताने दे पारा दे सबर का बखला इनाम सुन कमेटी तरफ
Okay, so again, I would like to thank Doc Shireen Wahab for inviting us over for today. It was really a good match. It was really a good event. So yeah, that's it. Thank you, Doc. Bye-bye. Okay. Hey everybody, so that's it. We have finished the match. We have finished the awarding. So I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog. Yeah, that's it. So again, thank you. Again, thank you for watching. This is Kate Torrento. I hope you had a great day because I had a good one. Bye-bye. Mic test, mic test. Ay, okay, mas maganda. Hindi nyo naman ako na-inform, sasama pa lang lahat. Ay, ito doon natin yung lights kung ganon. Kala ko di kayo sasama eh. Everybody, so I'm really tired, but we were invited to attend another program. So right after the match, who invited us?
Ibrahim, Abdul, or they are friends, but...
Yeah, so they made a program for us. So here we are. We're gonna be having a dinner here. That's it. That's it, nothing. This is a bonus clip, everybody. I'm really tired now, but I want to share this with you because these are like the moments that I really treasure here. Like every time that someone is inviting us over, like you'll be surprised like where they will take you, because you never know where they will take you. For example, now we're in the middle of nowhere. Like there's like water flowing there, like it's the dam. It's connected to the dam or something, and they're just cooking like somewhere. What do you call it? Side the street, like that. Okay, so we're gonna have dinner. I'll share you some details because I really love you. I'm tired, but I really want to share like a lot more with you guys. So stay tuned. My God, you're saying a lot.
Sampalin kita.
Saying a lot of bad words. Say it again. Sige, it's recorded. Say it again. See, you're a good guy now. Hoy, yung mga kasama ko, ang gagwapo. Kaaway ko to eh, oh, ayan o. Hindi ko kinakausap lang, kaaway ko yan. Alam mo, lapit-lapit siya. Hindi na pala ako kita.
To the beach or no?
Beach?
Jumeirah Beach.
No. Nee. Yes. Why, he also go to Dubai?
Yes, he stayed a long time in Dubai.
How long has he been here in Pakistan?
Now, I think he came from Dubai. Salur में अस्टी बेशी चला गया वीडियो. जमा salur में अस्टी 4 months ago.
He will come back?
Talk pinjish.
He will come back?
मैं पिन्नी mo. 5.5 years.
Everybody, this is just a bonus clip ha. So, hindi na ako mag-vlog-vlogan. Just listen to conversation, things like that. Na-amaze siya sa vlog ko. The one who's fighting.
You know his father?
Yeah, the handsome guy.
Yes, the handsome guy.
Yeah.
And you know his brother, right? The fish.
Yeah, the KKKK.
Dana, Mario.
What are they cooking? Chicken?
Chicken, yeah, chicken.
Good. What's my favorite? Drama. Ako nung katabi ni Makia. Ako din ako sa peso ni Makia. Ako, so, yun ang papalat. Okay.
He has said tell about me also. I went to Dubai, but he didn't go out from the home.
Why?
No, because no job there. Just stay in the house.
Okay.
He ran away back. Run away back.
It was really hard to find job, lah. Sometimes. Yeah.
Especially for Pakistani, because we don't have any degree, school, college. We don't understand.
I don't
English,
have either.
And
I don't have either.
Little. My village beauty,
Yes, beauty.
not beauty.
Beauty. Beautiful.
My village people, beautiful or not?
Beautiful.
he means people is good or no?
Huh?
He meaning the people is
I know, my God, Patan.
Good person.
All Patan, sorry. Muktiara. Beautiful.
Beautiful, good.
Yeah, beautiful. Me beautiful?
Yes.
How come you didn't understand this? My God, if that's a question, you understand fast. So everybody, that's gonna be it. We're gonna have dinner now. It's just really like a bonus clip. Just really wanted to share like what usually happens after. We're just gonna have our dinner and then after this we're gonna head home. That's it. Di ba pagod na ako? I told you, this is the vlog na ano, kapag pagod, walang arte-arte. Pag pagod na, wag nang pilitin, di ba? Para wag tayo ma-drain. Di ba? Oo, tama yun, no? If you're tired, don't force yourself. Like, on and off camera, just be yourself. I think that's the best one. Okay. So that's gonna be the end of this bonus clip. I hope you enjoyed watching the vlog once again. Okay, let's do it again. So I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog. Again, this is Kay Toretto, and you have a great night. Bye-bye.